Welcome to Quality Crafted Homes' newest masterpiece, the Vintage Melody, located in the exclusive cliffs of Rolling Oak subdivision. This stunning home offers over 2,800 square feet of living space with 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, perfectly blending luxury and functionality. Step into the great room where a shiplapped tray ceiling and custom glass door built-ins frame a striking stone fireplace. The kitchen is a chef's dream with a large island, custom cabinetry, quartz countertops, and a spacious walk-in pantry. Natural sunlight pours through the oversized windows, filling every corner with warmth and light. The primary suite on the main level is a true retreat, featuring dual vanities, a luxurious tile shower, and a massive walk-in closet that seamlessly connects the laundry room for the ultimate convenience. This home offers 3 bedrooms on the main level, 1 versatile enough to serve as an office or den, and an additional bedroom upstairs with a full bathroom, bonus space, and a walk-in attic for ample storage. Finally, step outside to enjoy the serene beauty of a wooded lot and pond views from the comfort of your lanai, perfect for relaxation and entertaining. Contact Wendy France for more information on this stunning home.